Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says no connection could be made because of the target machine actively refused it. So how you can fix it? Let's get started. First open your start menu and then search for run. Open this run app and inside this you have to type system properties advanced. Click on OK and it will open system properties. Now go over to your advanced tab and click on settings. Here make sure you check this box, turn on DEP for essential Windows programs and settings. Make sure you do this and uncheck this one. Now click on apply and then click on OK and restart your PC. After this you'll notice that your problem has been solved, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.